Modern two-story white home with a bold black accent wall and balcony. Features include a glass railing, black front door and lush lawn. House number 214 sits in a quiet area. Sleek two-story white house with a grey accent and glass-railed balcony. A white door leads to a manicured garden with palms. Power lines stretch across a clear, bright blue sky. Grey suburban home with white trim and a black garage. Tropical greenery and palms frame the scene, while a black Tesla Model S sits on the paved driveway under a clear sky. White two-story home with a black roof and solar panels. A wooden accent wall complements the glass door and balcony. A dark SUV is parked on the gravel path by yellow flowers. Modern white residence with a grey roof and large windows. A black door is flanked by sconces, overlooking a neat lawn and stone wall section against a backdrop of leafy trees. Stately grey house featuring a black roof and matching garage door. An SUV sits in the driveway near a sidewalk mailbox. Mature trees and a palm frame this suburban dwelling. Sophisticated white home with a black roof and glass balcony. Modern Tesla Model S is parked out front. House 1475 is nestled among lush palms under a beautiful blue sky. Contemporary white home with a grey metal roof and large windows. Colourful blooms line a stone path to the double glass doors. A dark SUV is parked beside the vibrant lawn. Elegant grey-roofed home with stone accents and a second-floor balcony. Black door with sconces opens to a manicured lawn. The elevated view captures a serene, inviting mood. White modern home with a black roof and dual garage doors. Features a wooden balcony and patio with seating. House 28 is surrounded by tropical plants and two-tone pavers. Minimalist white house featuring a wooden deck and glass-railed balcony. A grey car is parked by the lush tropical garden. A wooden fence borders the property under the sun. White two-story house with a brown brick accent and black framed door. A balcony overlooks the patio seating and paved drive. This well-kept home sits in a peaceful setting. Tranquil white home with a black roof, nestled in deep greenery. A wooden double door leads inside, while the balcony offers a cozy seating area overlooking a private lawn. Modern white house with wooden doors and a glass balcony. A paved walkway winds through a rock garden and palms. The landscaped yard creates a warm, inviting tropical feel. White suburban home with black accents and solar panels. Features a glass balcony and double black garages. Meticulous landscaping and palms complete this tranquil setting.